How to solve word problems with the CUBES strategy. Hi everyone, my name is Whitley Talley and I am a second grade teacher. I want to discuss how to solve word problems using the CUBES strategy. Teachers, do you ever notice that your kids may seem confused or overwhelmed when it comes to solving math problems? They may not know where to start or whether to add or whether to subtract. Well, I think I have the solution with the CUBES strategy. Were you wondering, what is the CUBES strategy? The CUBES strategy is word problem steps to help students solve math problems. CUBES is an acronym. C stands for circle the numbers. U means underline the question. B, box the keywords. And the keywords can be in all, total, less than, fewer, more. The words to help kids figure out whether they need to add or subtract in the word problem. E means to evaluate and draw. Just evaluate means to just think about the problem, reread it. And drawing, it may be number buns, tape diagrams. It could be pictures of little stick men or circles. S means to solve and check. So let's apply the CUBES strategy to a math word problem. Ann and Ken are on the soccer team. Ann scored 15 points. Ken scored 4 fewer than Ann. How many points did Ken score? So let's start with the C, circle the numbers. The numbers used in this word problem, 15 and 4. Next, we're going to go to the U, which means to underline the question. And the question in this problem is, how many points did Ken score? Our next letter is B, box the keywords. In this problem, the keywords would be fewer than. And in my classroom, I have an anchor chart for keywords for addition and subtraction. So my kids would look back on the anchor chart and see fewer than under subtraction. So they would know that they need to subtract in the word problem. E, evaluate and draw. Well, let's evaluate what we know about the problem. Our two numbers are 15 and 4. We're looking for how many points Ken scored, not Ann. And our keywords is fewer than, which means we're going to subtract. Now, drawing. Your kids can decide to draw a number bun or a tape diagram or circles and stick people. In this problem, I think it would be easier if I drew a number bun. And 15 is my biggest number. So for 15, I'm going to put it here in my top circle in my number bun. I'm going to put 4 down here in my small circle and a question mark here. So this is what we're looking for. And under the 4, I'm going to put my number sentence. So 15 minus, because fewer than means subtract, we're subtracting, 4 equals blank. So we know that 15 take away 4 equals 11. So how many points did Ken score? Ken scored 11 points. And that's how we apply the CUBES strategy to a math word problem. We circled our numbers, 15 and 4. We underlined the question, which was how many points did Ken score. We put a box around the keyword, which is fewer than, which means to subtract. We evaluated, which means we went back and reread our problems and looked at everything we know about our word problem. For drawing, we drew a number bun, and then we solved and checked. We did our number sentence, which is 15 minus 4 equals 11, and our final answer is 11. Thanks for watching.